into the long term and all these short term, even the growth stocks. You want to make sure these growth stocks are strong names because honestly, growth stocks are pretty hard to choose from, and they're just right now everything. Even last few years, even the last 5 years, everything has been random, and even after 2020, like I said, everything is just even more random at moment's notice. Even the same day, things can just go up and down, and silly news comes out, and the market changes. And even if you bought the crappiest stock, it still has an effect on it when the government says something or a big company says something. It's just crazy. I just believe the stock market is not connected to reality. That I strongly believe that. Some people might disagree, but it's just insane. We're living in crazy times, and then, like I say, all these price ranges keep going up and up and up and up and up and up, and it doesn't make sense. That's all I gotta say. So I don't like this stock. Low volume. The PE ratio is too low. That's number two. Micro cap because it's a market cap of $283 million company. That's just too small. You want something that's about close to 1 billion minimum, and I'm being generous, but really you want something around 2 billion, $2 billion company, a small cap. This is just micro. This is way too small for me. Even if they are a local bank, but still, anyway, it's just horrible. Like I said, the chart looks good. You know, it's good for short term play, but um, even if you do it less than 6 months, it's still iffy because you want to lock in those profits even sooner. Like I said, the trend, it looks like it's starting to exhaust in that flat period. So again, that's why I say in 2022 there's going to be a crash because look how fast we went up in 2021 and in 2020, and then yeah, it's just crazy. It's just too much uptrend and too fast, too much, and it just doesn't make sense. So last but not least, I have what is the last one? SACH. This was a good company. I like this company. Even though they are a micro cap of 152 million, PE ratio is pretty fair. This is definitely a growth stock, and also they do pay dividends. Uh, the reason I say it's a good company, they have good volume, so meaning it's very very active right now, and hopefully it will continue to be active. When I say right now, I mean within the past month. It's not like the past few days or whatever. It's been pretty hot for a few weeks now. So definitely, I see some uptrend. Uh, they do loans, and they're basically a real estate finance company. So anything with real estate, they like to lend money out to lenders, and I believe they collect a premium or some kind of interest in return. So basically, they're getting more from what they bargained for because not only are they getting their initial payments back, they're getting additional. This is why I like this company because that's how they raise their capital. They loan you money. Let's see here. So this company on the stock market, it's only been about 2 years, and again, this is definitely a solid income and growth stock. Definitely, again because of the volume and everything, and then the PE ratio. Even though they are pretty new, but the numbers look good. I ran over the numbers; they look pretty good. I want to see how they do. I mean, everybody does good in a good year, but the question is, can they do really good as a new company in the stock market, and which is a lot of companies, um, especially a small company. This is definitely a keeper, just because the way the sector is. Again, they're not a bank; they're like a lender, like a consumer lender. So whether in good markets or bad markets, people need to purchase and take out loans regardless. And I'm really seeing a big future for this company that likes to raise capital. Their cash flow is pretty decent. Um, their debt I wasn't too crazy about, but they have more assets than debt. And again, they're pretty solid. They're pretty solid. And then what makes them interesting again, it's their um, yield percentage. Their yield percentage, where is it at? Is it in here? No, where is their dividend? I'm trying to find their dividend. I think I'll find it in this one. So, anyways, SACH, Sachem Capital, that's their name. So they went in an uptrend. They look pretty flat. They went down a little bit and then they went back up. Now they're trying to beat their highs. Their highs is at 5.56, and right now they're at 5.39. So they're trying to beat their all-time highs from April, and they're only like 10 cents away, 15 cents away, literally. And they're just a good company. They're just a good company. Any type of lending is usually good. So we have their revenues have been going up. You can see right here, and I'm gonna try to highlight it. Come on, highlight. Well, anyways, you guys can see it. You guys can see right here, revenue. Revenue's been going up. So that would lead to their earnings are about the same, which is not too bad, but their net income slightly growing, which is good. But definitely since their revenue's growing, that's all you need. So yeah, I'm recommending this company, SACH. Again, I can't tell you when to buy and when to sell at what price. Again, all I'm recommending is this company to add it to your watch list. Again, I'm recommending SACH. Add it to your watch list. Really good company. Definitely, it's gonna grow in 2022. So that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll try to do more recommendations. Again, if you're gonna try and sue somebody because you lost money and you're trying to invest in the stock market and need a financial advisor, look for somebody who is certified and well advised, and someone that is looking into your best interests, and they are known as a fiduciary advisor. If they're not looking into your best interests, if they're not fiduciary, which that's what it means. Basically, they're looking out for you. They're just not worth it. So again, invest safely and smart in the market. So take care, you guys. I hope you learned something. I hope you can grasp something out of the information presented to you, because this is all I have to work with the next few months and possibly months on end. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll come up with some new material. So have a good night. I'll see you guys in the next one.